So we are actually turning around, and if you watched the last video, you're probably seeing I'm wearing the same clothes. I'm wearing short sleeves. I have the same gloves. I'm in the same area. That is because I am still out and about this morning. I figured I would make another video and kind of separate them. One, so we have a little bit more content out there if I do have to put the bike away, or if there is a closure with the pandemic. I was actually laughing. I was seeing a lot of my friends that ride bikes and stuff put memes out on Instagram with how safe riding a motorcycle is right now compared to taking like a car or like a bus or anything like that. And so some people are like, hey, riding a motorcycle is unsafe. Look at the coronavirus now. We're actually pretty safe. We're wearing a helmet, gloves. We fully clothe ourselves, even though I'm not right now, you know, but it's kind of funny seeing all the memes. So I need to get some gas. I passed the gas station. I didn't mean to. I kind of just get distracted whenever I start ranting about crap. So we're going to see how much does it cost to fill up the Honda Grom. I fill up my Grom with premium. One, because it's so cheap to fill it up. But two, it's also, I think, the best fuel to put in your motorcycle. So whatever you can do to make your motorcycle last the longest, you should do it without, you know, blowing your bank. And also, I typically do like to fill up my Grom whenever my fuel is like dead empty. I don't like to just kind of mix fuel in here if I don't have to from different gas stations. I know that sounds really superstitious, but that's just me. But we are not fully empty, but we're still going to go just in case if we got to shut the bike in because of this pandemic. Gas stations should be coming up in just a minute on our right. We are going to just let the video roll, and it is currently, so actually we're going to go to the one on the left. It is currently 7:34 in the morning. Getting out there into the morning area, but let's see how much gas will cost me today filling up premium. The gas price is $1.65 for regular. We'll see how much premium cost. And I do prefer Shell station gas. So if you have a Shell station near you, this is my place of choice. Okay, let's turn off the freaking turn signal. I always forget that. So currently the 93 gas is $2.35. So let's see how much we can get for $2.35. Remove nozzle, select fuel type. We're going with 93. Oh, we gotta remove it first. I'm an idiot. I should know how to do this. 93. We are filling it up. Sorry if the camera angle's not that good. I'm trying to only use my gloves. Oh, almost got it. Oops, spilled a little bit. That's fine. It cost me $1.98 to fill up the Grom. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty much all the way past that little line in there. I kind of laugh whenever I see that number, $1.98 for premium gas. And I can go for 100 plus miles easily. So there you go, folks. That is the average of how much it costs to fill up my Grom. And whenever gas is high, it usually doesn't cost me $5. So if you are looking to get a Grom as an everyday commuter and you live in a city, do it. I think it's pretty smart. But other than that, there's a guy at the bait shop over there looking at me, talking to myself. I'm going to go right home. And somebody is smashing something over there at 7 something in the morning. Oops. Stalled out my bike. That's the first time I've actually done that in a while. Alrighty, as those people stared at this little weird machine, like just about everybody else seems to do, I will see you guys in the next video.